Speaker, sir, I rise to speak on the demands listed for today. Speaker, sir, चड वेळ घेनासतना हांव 2-3 गोष्टी ह्या हावसा फुडें मांडूंक सोदतां. Speaker, sir, there are multiple suggestions that I would have for the Honorable Minister of Transport with regards to the rent-a-bikes and rent-a-cars which are being parked in public spaces, and they are operating also from public spaces. So I would request the Honorable Minister to look into this very seriously. कित्याक लोकांक जर आपली गाडी लावंक सोदता तांकां ती opportunity मेळना. Speaker, sir, optimizing the traffic management, म्हाका खबर आहा, Department of Home, and that comes under traffic. But dangerous junctions have to be re-looked at. I believe खुबशे माझे colleagues हे already point घातलेले आसा. Proper road planning as per the Motor Vehicles Act, along with the guidelines by MORTH. Speaker, sir, streamlining and digitalizing the routine process of public services with regards to the Transport Department, be it renewals of licenses, issuing of new licenses, registration of vehicles, passing of commercial vehicles, and so on. Speaker, sir, coming to the bus stand at Mapsa, म्हाका दिसता हें आख्खे गोंयचे लोकांक खबर आसा. This has been a very long pending demand of mine as an MLA and the past MLA as well of the city of Mapsa. Mapsa bus stand is not only for the city of Mapsa. Mapsa is the first commercial center from Mopa. Mopa कडल्यान भायर सरल्यार Mapsa is the first commercial center that you get when you're getting out of Penne Taluka. All the traffic that comes through the northern border comes through Mapsa. I cannot stress more on how important this bus stand is for the city of Mapsa as well as North Goa as well as the Taluka of Bardes. खूब वेळ जालोलो आसा, Speaker sir, हे डिमांड पेंडिंग आसा. आनी हांव फाटलीं 5 वर्सां हांव आमदार जावन आसा. फाटलीं 5 वर्सां हांव ह्या बस स्टँडाचेर हांव मागणें कोत्तां ऑनरेबल ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टरा कडेन आनी आमच्या सरकारा कडेन. म्हाका आयज ह्या बस स्टँडाचेर अश्युरन्स जाय की हें बस स्टँड केन्ना जावंक शकता आनी हें बस स्टँड केन्ना जातलें तें. हांवें फाटलीं 5 वर्सां जायतीं आश्वासनां म्हाका दिल्लीं आसा, पूण आयज म्हाका खरें कळपाक जाय की आमचें बस स्टँड म्हापशेकार विचारता, बार्देसकार विचारता हें बस स्टँड केन्ना जातलें तें. आनी हांव मागतां मिनिस्टरा कडेन की तेणें सांगचें की हें केन्ना चालू जातलें आनी हें केन्ना सोंपतलें तें. स्पिकर सर, लँड एक्विजिशन बस स्टँडाचो खूब तेंप 2007 काय 2008 कितें चालू जाल्लो आनी आमच्या म्हापशा भितर एक KTC बस स्टँड एक्जिस्टींग बस स्टँड ऑलरेडी आसा. बट तितून मातशें डिपार्टमेंटान लक्ष घातल्यार वी कॅन मेक इट टेम्पररी मेक शिफ्ट बस स्टँड टील द न्यू बस स्टँड कमेन्सीस. म्हाका दिसता जस्ट ऑर्गनायझींग इट तितून भितर जायते इलिगल बिजनसीस चालू आसता, वेदर इट इज वेंडर्स ऑर फुटपाथाचेर लोक बसता. that I request your department to kindly look at this. There is no coordination that is there between the KTC officials and the Mapsa Municipal Council. We try to engage with them, but खंय तरी आमकां response बरो गावना. The buses are not parked properly. The new bus stand has been occupied by huts. तूं एक मेकशिफ्ट बस स्टँड GSIDCन बांदलेलें आहा, तेजे फाटल्यान एक जागो आहा, एक 10,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर सुमार, तितून झोपड्यो आयलेले आहा. आमी जायते फावटी प्रयत्न केलेले आसा तांकां काडपाक, खंय तरी ते येवन परत ते बांदून घेतात. सो हांव मागता डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन यू ऑल बॅरिकेड दॅट लँड अँड स्टार्ट गिवींग इट आउट टू or tender that to a parking contractor and try to park the interstate buses. ती काडून ती शेतान लायतात. If you all can move those buses there, that will also prevent those huts from coming in that property that belongs to the department. Speaker sir, the taxi issues, like everybody has said, is a very important issue that the state is facing today. We are all in support of moving forward with digitization. I don't think anybody has spoken against it. But we have to solve this current issue of the taxis and the aggregators, as it is giving a bad image to our state, and ultimately we are tourism dependent. The tourists should not suffer, and they should not have a bad experience because of any conflict between the taxi drivers. Thank you, Speaker sir.
Opposition Leader.